Welcome back. Today we're gonna do an oil change on this 2014 Nissan Versa Note. Here are the things that we're gonna need today: 5W30 oil, oil filter, wrench, 14mm socket, gloves, ramps, also an oil drain pan and a funnel. Now let's put the car on the ramp. Okay, first we have to open the hood. Take out the oil cap and the dipstick. Then we put the drain pan underneath the car. Now it's time to loosen up this 14mm drain plug. I'm gonna use this 14mm socket. We have to turn it counterclockwise to loosen the plug. Once you loosen the plug, you can just take out the drain plug with your fingers. Just turn it counterclockwise to take out the plug. Then let the oil drain out. Let it drain out completely. You have to clean out the plug with a rag. We're gonna reuse it later on. So now it's time to put back the plug. Just use your finger to turn it clockwise. gonna use 14mm socket again, turning clockwise. Just make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come loose while you're driving. Now it's time to take out the oil filter. Now we're going to use the oil filter wrench to take out the oil filter. And turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. Okay. Then you can just use your hand to completely take it out. Now it's time to take out the oil filter and put a bit of oil on the gasket. This will prevent the oil filter from getting stuck for future replacement. Now we have to install the new oil filter. Turn it clockwise. And you only do hand tight. Just tighten it with your hand, that's it. Wipe out the excess oil. Now it's time to put the oil. Use the funnel. We're gonna put 3 liters of this 5W30. Check out the jug, make sure you don't overfill. Check the jug again, make sure you don't overfill. You just need 3 liters of oil. Check the oil level. You have to check if the oil is between the minimum and the maximum. on the marker of the dipstick. Need to add a little bit more. Then check it again. And check it again. Make sure the oil level is between the minimum and the maximum marker on the dipstick. The level's good. That's it. Time to put back the oil cap. That's it. Now it's time to take out the car off the ramp. If you like to purchase any of the material or tools that I use in this video, please check out the links on the description below. Don't forget to check underneath the car for leaks. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one.